Hey guys, Twin Biz here. I'm Mike.
And I'm Chris.
We're here at Wolsing, Kentucky.
Wolsing Nature Preserve.
Um,
Right behind us here is the L&N short line.
Yep.
So we're here. We ran out the door to catch CSX1776. It's the spirit of our armed forces. Michael's got his Navy shirt on. Yeah, I'm a Navy man myself. Veterans Day is a week from today. Today is Saturday, November 4th?
Maybe.
Yeah, 4th, I think. But Veterans Day, November 11th, is next Saturday. So yeah, you do the math. Yeah, Veterans Day. Spirit of Armed Forces headed our way. We thought we heard a train horn earlier, and it's been a minute, so hopefully we'll see it soon. Nothing on the scanner, but as you can see, we got some MOW equipment behind us that we are going to check out while we're waiting. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
Alright, here's the MOW. It's different stuff than last time. This side rail is not in use other than these MOW on it every once in a while. There is the rust. And these tracks on the side, it says 1938. That was a while ago. I'm not sure if that's like something for identification. I think it must be because that's a long time ago. I don't think they would have rails that old here. And here's this first one. Front we got 4 wheels.
I'm not sure if that's the front or the back, to be honest with you.
Well,
but
that kind of looks like a railroad crossing. Well, right there at least. But
it extends out. It's like a extension.
Yep. Of course, we're not gonna hit these, but right there we have the emergency brake and the horn, and then 4 wheels right there. This is the first, and on a big one right there. So pretty big.
John Henry sledgehammer here. Just kidding.
Another one.
Here's a diagram of all the different pieces of it. It doesn't say what its name is.
Pause the footage to get more. All right. And then we also have.
So the diagram, this right here was called a rail hook. So I'm assuming this hooks onto the rail.
Oh,
whoa, lost your balance, sorry. I'm thinking that this hooks onto the rail and lifts it. Oh, you know what? Maybe it does. Maybe that lifts the rail. Are they putting new ties? Just help put in new ties, maybe?
Maybe.
I'm not sure.
Maybe they settle in the ties into the ballast?
I've seen these before on a video, someone else's video. They go into the ground and they like vibrate and it helps settle the ballast. Probably after they put in a new tie, it settles the ballast back down. That's my theory. I've never used one of these before.
I think that's the air tank right there for the horn.
Yeah, we've got all kinds of hydraulics and pneumatics and all kinds of stuff on here.
There's another one of those 2 combinations. Beep. Not actually gonna press that, of course. Yeah.
Here, if you step back, maybe we can get. It's got an American flag up on the front. Hanging on the top.
Here's this. We think this goes down and does something with the rocks on the track, the ballast.
Yeah. You said you saw a name on this, right? Oh, the Rhino.
Yeah, it's called the Rhino.
It's
There are actually some rocks jammed in here, so I think that's what it does.
Clearance. It's a ballast regulator. It's actually pretty cool. Pretty cool. You should try to get a shot of that, Mike. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
CSX Rhino. Cool. Yeah, I think this pushes the ballast out of the way. Helps clear off this before the...
Wonder what this thing does.
Looks like a big hook. Yeah, I think this gets the ballast out of the way before that machine comes in. Before the other machine comes in and puts the new ties down under the tracks.
There are the horns right there. They're smaller than I thought train horns would be. They look like they're maybe a foot long, and the front is not very big at all. I did not know they were that small. Alright.
American flag on the top of that one too.
Uh-huh. There's a big old Rhino. It's pretty gigantic. Alright guys, we're going to do some fun experiments here. Not dangerous ones though. So there's a leaf there. Of course that's not going to do anything to the train, because that'll get crunched pretty quick. Then we also are at TB1776 right there for train buddies, and then the number of the train engine that we're looking for. So we're going to see that get ran over. See how it looks at the end. We're going to see if that's there after a train passes over it, if we see one. Well, I really hope we see this train.
See the headlights yet, but it sounds really close.
Alright guys, hopefully this is 1776. Can hear it.
Yep. You can hear its power. It got pretty dark on us.
Yeah, we've been here for like 2 hours.
Yeah, we got here right around 5 o'clock, and it's around 7 right now.
We're almost 99% sure this is it.
Oh, it has to be. The sunset. We got the car's headlights shining on the track, but not in the engineer's face. So hopefully we get a decent shot
yep,
here.
I see the headlights shining on the trees over there.
You see the headlights?
Shining on the trees, yeah.
Oh yeah, yep.
Sounds like the Milwaukee Road engine that we rode on. Kinda weird. That was it. Awesome. These are loaded auto racks. I can see through it. This auto rack is loaded. I can see the wheels shining.
the hubcaps. I can see the shiny hubcaps inside, reflecting off the headlights
of this awesome 1776 train. Tankers and grain coming up.
You can see Fred blinking in the back. See you later, Fred.
Alright guys, we put a leaf on the tracks earlier. It got squashed, I think. It definitely got squashed. I do not know where the heck it is. We put it right there. The rails are still squealing. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Holy cow, look at that thing. Wow. That is so flat and so dusty. That is crazy. Alright, let's see if it still says TB. It still says TB. It's really faint. The camera can't see it. But yeah. Look at that leaf. That is dirty. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the Train Buddies video. Hope you enjoyed. We are here in our car.
It's cold and it's dark and we're hungry. It's time to go and eat. We saw 1776.
That leaf was pretty dusty. Grimy too. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Train Buddies out.
Train Buddies out.